Hello hackers, welcome to the Dark Code. Everybody is looking for ways to protect their computers from ransomware. What exactly is it? How does it infect your computer? And more importantly, how do you get rid of it? Let's break it down. First off, ransomware is a type of malicious software designed to block access to your computer system until a sum of money is paid. Think of it as a digital hostage situation. It usually sneaks in through phishing emails, malicious ads, or even by exploiting software vulnerabilities. Once it's in, it can lock you out of your files, encrypt your data, and display a message demanding payment to release it. So, how does it work? Well, once you accidentally download the ransomware, it starts encrypting your data in the background. You might not even notice until it's too late. The next thing you know, you're staring at a ransom note, often demanding payment in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It's a nightmare for any IT pro. Now let's talk about removal and recovery. First, disconnect the infected device from your network to prevent the ransomware from spreading. Then, boot the system in safe mode and run a full scan with reliable antivirus software. If the antivirus can't handle it, you might need a dedicated ransomware decryption tool. And if all else fails, restoring from a backup is your best bet. But remember, never pay the ransom. It only encourages more attacks and there's no guarantee you'll get your data back. Prevention is key, so make sure to keep your software up to date, avoid suspicious emails, and always back up your data. Stay safe out there. That's it for now. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more IT tips. Catch you in the next video.